In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users in Jira and manage their access the right way. If you need to onboard a new developer, add a product owner to your workspace, or give an outside collaborator access to your Atlassian environment, this process is much easier when you know exactly where to go. Instead of digging through menus and losing time, you can use Jira's built-in user management tools to send invites quickly and confirm that everything is set up properly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian site. If you normally sign in through your Atlassian account portal, you can log in there first and then access your workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click the settings gear. This is where you'll find the administrative options connected to your site. After the settings menu opens, scan the list and select user management. This takes you into the central area where user access is controlled. From here, you'll be able to review who already has access and start inviting new people into the environment. When the user management page loads, look again toward the upper right corner. You should see the invite users button. Click it once to open the invitation window. This is the main place where you'll enter user details and decide what kind of access they should receive. In the email addresses field, type the email address of the person you want to invite. If you're adding more than one person at the same time, you can enter multiple addresses by separating them with commas or by pressing enter after each one. This is a helpful way to speed up onboarding when several team members need access together. Next, move down to the product access section. Here, choose the Jira product you want the new user to access, such as Jira Product Discovery or Jira Software. This step is important because it defines what area of the platform they'll be able to use. Under that, you may also see a groups dropdown. If needed, assign the user to the appropriate group, such as a software users group or a developers group, so their permissions match their role. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom right of the invite window and click Invite Users. Jira will process the request and send an invitation email to each person you added. As a final check, return to the main users list and confirm that the newly invited users appear with a pending status. That lets you know the invitations were sent successfully and are waiting to be accepted. That's it. You now know how to invite users in Jira, assign the right access, and verify that the onboarding process is working.